Today we are making rainbow pancakes. So hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make delicious rainbow pancakes. So let's start. Take 4 tablespoons of flour, 2 3 teaspoons of sugar powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and need to add 1 teaspoon of ghee or butter, 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix well, make it a perfect consistency, and then divide in 7 bowls. Add your food colors and mix some red and blue food color. It will make a indigo color. It becomes in light indigo, so I add chocolate brown. If you want, you can also make in this only. Then grease some butter and then add 1 tablespoon of pancake. Make a perfect circle color and make it like this. You should be remember that if you add this fork, it should become clean. If it not, bake it more, and then bake like this all the pancakes. Now add butter, garnish it with some honey, and serve and enjoy. It was so delicious. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, subscribe, and comment and share. Bye bye.